Abidjan for high GC news, Mema Obibia Kwaba. Hadia latest and hot news and Kwa Adam de Bremo. Anuti so you subscribe to channel dia bomodian say obe subscribe. Do we say obe click the subscribe button. Now wabele a notification. We answer video for be upload no. The first person I will say ebeka sa video. Afi we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Na fi share ma Ato Forson when you be here now and someone ekoso ewo Ghana memano. Afi yembura ye and sema abeto yepnoso. Aya abatu ekoso ehun sensem ya na ye Captain Smart. Bawumia TV morning show host body and sembi aba betudwa watch the say eye the president. Na na do Akufo Addo efre eye IGP na chese wane pekwan bia wane be faso an be dada no. Se de be ya aya abatu betima bom na wane timi edin kudim. Na no na watch the say eye IGP ehwe president nim ka chese Mr. President, no, I can't do that. Na Captain de and sembi bre etudwa no na Gabby esu edin ebe PP mu wadan sembi bre na ra edi. And tentemara yenko eye Captain Smart yenko na kachi yenko tie sere wode eye sansem we nyina tudwa a watch the say o ka kire o say mu lusu no mo do mayo madwe se ka o mo beto ka kra dia ma no o ka kire say mu lusu. Na Captain de and sembi bre atudwa yenko tie no.
When citizens of a land speak, it is difficult for a party to throw out balls of kinky to the people. Yeah, my very last time I met the New Patriotic Party in Penning 4, I told them that, look, you are losing the elections. They were interested in presenting to me a Land Cruiser. As if I don't have a car to drive. I said, no, I'm not interested in this bullshit. Excuse my French this evening.
Yeah, Dada.
But you are losing the elections. Captain, we are not losing. So, oh, wow. So let me keep what I know. That was before we went to Salt Pond. Because let me sit here and tell you on authority. If Dampare, any CDS, AGV, INA, kame biya sanka gande jatom sisi ya kesesi etem emane nkwakura mmere obi apebebe fa the bag akọ me na me ka kire won enne eba no security a ho esese Ghana ye ma Dampare any CDS upon pepra standing ovation. And let me tell you this, Dampare was called, coerced, massaged, tickled, everything. The president was sitting right there, and Dampare looked in the eye of Nanado and said that, I am sorry, Mr. President.
Yeah, Dada.
I cannot. Oh. 200. James, where you 200 account? Where you 200 account? Where you 200 account? Oh, no. That person, Mr. President. And let me tell you the people who were in that meeting. I was standing right there looking at them. The president was there. The vice president, who is the chairman of the police council, he was sitting right there. The question is, didn't you know one friend MPP national chairman and the general secretary, Akwa meeting nibi. Then the general secretary of the party, any national chairman, and Kosa meeting nibi. And that person there be said the at the end of the year. Yama emuna ho. Someone who GDS someone when they are. Yen police for by ya de ne finchirem. E ho na ma me hu se na de course so e wo ase not no e police for piloting and now omo here for the general elections. It is a by election e by no e bo Dampare. So by employ strategy no e wo by election na wa hwe. Say, first time in the history of this country, police can never do anything for any political party, not even the ruling party. Afenyo Adorye, president himself. And let me say this, as a Dampare on the CDS, now Marco, as a Bawumia Campaign meeting, I say, Your Excellency, two things. It's either you take this position away from me. It is some the position, so we are IGP. I don't have a problem. But pass say, make me use my office. Influence any decision there. Forget it. Then, woman will say, woman will sue IG. So, they went through back door. Echo far.
Deputy IG.
Deputy IG. Yeah. Tete Yonu. And Ghana for they were going to create a huge conflict between the IGP and the deputy IGP. But Dampare is a very smart rat.
Smart Pentecostal elder.
Pentecostal as well, Dampare is very smart. Eti, when we born the deep, no problem.
Who be a bit the office and in be transfer.
Eti, woman who say Dampare realized that Ghana asumdwe
paramount.
Paramount. Now, best say we man share be bofoma asemeba. Eti police headquarters. We a mistake. Now we call deputy office. We call transfer.
Yes.
Yeah, boss of nobody wechi.
Our camera so one office. Who say what you yeah, prepare later.
Eti, what happened in this? No tifa hono. Eno me your man so mbe you see.
CD.
Army HQ. Daddy, Andrew CDS, Army HQ. Kwas, Chief of Army Staff. Eti Asumani. Oh yeah, National Security Coordinator. No.
Yeah.
Only Gabby otchere. They plotted against the CDS using the Chief of Army Staff. I'm saying it today. To make sure, say, they will render the CDS
useless,
powerless. But at the end of the day, no. So Jenny now, yeah, Kwas no who say, me treat me mood time, me penny here CDS. And they went through the guy, say, guy in your list, Emba Wong. Omo soldier for list. I was standing right there.
Oh, as a man American will have Muslim. Ebiano no. It is a nyawo and a war in a privileged position. And a woman some way. Like a good and nibesi day.
What about
at a sensible way?
Eti, Orie no. Oye the list near the no. And no one this CDS acquired droswa. You the picture no about 2 TV the so no.
Wait.
So Jenny no this CDS acquired droswa fantini baako. I believe yanka ho.
Wait.
Munjai so Jenny penny bina owo 48 engineers na mo se ono na the CDS coin enyo ono a leader ne ye fantini the aka ye bununi fantini ni bununi and the CDS call a droswa no.
Yeah, boss of nobody wechi.
Wo ko na me di won achi.
Yeah, boss of nobody.
Enti na we call ya me ko twa picture no.
Yeah, boss of nobody.
Ba na me be tu onu ya TV so pa cho so hwe wo kai.
Yeah, boss of nobody wechi.
Eno to fa ho no de ko ba ene say Asumani National Security Coordinator. Any army for no. Any Gabby mo afedi akoba n say eso mo kopa CDS achew. Now upon pepra otiase onwui. What the number the friend bu say me say 1 Gabby 2 Kweku Asumani 3 the subordinates owo oye army commander onko pa na chew. Okacho am so no I don't hold any grudge against anybody. I am doing my job as a professional soldier. Now, he was also called before the president and other Mpenifo say na echo and you know omaino den brofa kese na mo deda ono so te hodi no catch Mr. President no hwe na do anim to say the Dampare hwe na do anim catch Mr. Chief soldier for me to me 1 vote. Like you, the president, you have 1 vote.
Fellow Ghanaians.
I will protect your ballot. I will protect your vote. And I will protect my vote. It is my responsibility to protect, Mr. President, your vote.
Fellow Ghanaians.
And also protect my vote. No military officer will go to any polling station. And watch this. Edu baby, no, they were using the defense ministry led by the Deputy Minister of Defense, Amankwa Atwoma Kofi Amankwa Menu Atwoma Kwawoma MP.
Yeah.
To prepare a list of military officers Wombe detail womu to Volta region. TBA, Volta region, Central region, Western region, Upper East, Upper West, Savannah, Oti, Greater Accra. Sasabi Ebru Sabi Nyad, wombe di se hunu awabato him. Watch this. So this is what happened. Then we answer soldier for penny for at the Krataba Bontin say about where we know. Soldier ni be anywhere beko police station. Now microphone tiase me chire match now. And yes na soldier for no say ebia omo support party we are omo support party. No. And omo de krata no eba abonten. The promise are CDS Nyamishra wone Dampare. I will sit here any day, any time and pray for both of you. Say Nyame Enshamoso. Samahama Yesweni in 7th January. Now Wama Dampare anya IGP Dampare, the world would see you as a great man. CDS, the world will see you. And this land Ghana, ebe Bawumia do mobile. And you know what happened? Afenyo pressure ne ba na eba. The CDS say no problem. Soldier for no, wombe kwa monte. Nemom, ye do wombe kwa stand by. Still no, ye must soldier ni bi anko polling station. That is when the MPP realized that they've lost the elections. Ye kwa assault fund, Jimmy.
Chairman.
Me sheda ye fabe was to be say. Ebema MPP mpenifo be hunu nyansa dwen. But they thought say me kasadodo. And specifically that day me ye police phone kwa and I'm starting say me blame security aspect of Ghana ha sa banya that police for 2020 elections and then that's okay mantie police for Ghana ha nyina no. Se 10 na kwato aba 8 to tia MPP. I'm sitting here and telling you. Soldier for kwato aba yina no. Se 10 na to aba emu 7 to tia MPP.
Na oti na nadonka.
I don't want to end it.
I don't be wait a minute. Now when him security agency to tia by way pa.
Soldier for
immigration
me
count 9
I want to have 300 Ghana.
Immigration and fire service me donya me the way we see tutia MPP no
DH Babbe sound they be about 200 Ghana.
Immigration fire service and ba ku bi na ya mo border there be one more ahabo ho no customs ewurade me ya say customs ni bi ato MPP wo mu tutia party no. But out me who say yes or not to it here. What if the last minute straw of the NPP that they will put fear in the electorate say what to about we are free ho na coffee and I could just let me sit here and tell you I'm the biggest broadcaster in this country.
Allah wallahi Odogu
me I am the biggest broadcaster.
Honorable.
Na Jimmy Kawa no Emma JB Obia no betim me.
Honorable.
Me njabe Obia ni ko obetimi me.
Captain no botoni.
Me sorry no para your so no TV. I command more than 5 million people.
Captain
I command more than 5 million people.
Captain
And the way I may hear me stories no. NDC for who said one thing you say me bua won. Eti Emma NDC for no na omutie me. Pa na fe MPP for who say no baby Ujafo ko no ese start it. And check US Embassy survey at any given time at every 1 second I command 58,000 people every second. 58,000 every second. 58. Go and check US Embassy every second.
Yeah, what tradition more fans kakra.
I try me
Captain
Odogu. Anna, me betra ha ka kire. NDC for say, what to abani wi a men kofie. E hona na de no. Etefas. Say ya me no ka say NDC kuta 188 seats. MPP all state constituencies are One list constituencies are General Secretary. Abana Okeka Bibi say womanso ntiase. Okay. NPP anye kefla. I came here and I told you say woman anye kefla. 100 seats. Obey ding.
But you are not running through all the parliamentary candidates of what
say ya me no ka say. Sammy catch us say easy for me start rounds in 20 minutes time. Me one more platform no so. Oh, mutimi so nyimi. O ma easy declare na wi.
Phyllis na koyo.
Gyamfi na koyo ye ba metro so.
I just love her.
Abai we me born ho ban o parliament say.
Eda.
Get we.
Eda.
The security yeah. Me no like the council man. You wrong thing yeah. Me no like the council man. E tuma e ha. You don't do so big. It's the end. And now the beginning of our development in Kaswa. Yeah. And then at the beginning, we are releasing our freedom now. For all these years, we have fought a very difficult fight.
Honorable.
And I'm not sure I would have been able to continue this journey. But your love, your strength, your advice and encouragement has kept me moving. If you are there, I'll be tonight here. I'm the next MP and what you say that is possible.
That's it. Man, that's Manisa. And you see, Mafia, I dare my question Shannon so Ghana politics in Munisel. Okay.
Oh, main gate.
And yen sure you did very in any
An Asante region per every indication, it clearly shows say there was vote apathy. Asante fo ankotwaba. Asante fo akire se ampa. Omuni munyensa. Sebi NPP fo ye pam ye kwase ya no. Enya asante fo dan achi ne ye kwache no. Na senka wanya bi ama wase ya ye mmone kro no. Mwatimi atete asante fo ama asante fo abre. Asante so ne kura NPP. An asante fo se 1 ye nkonkotwaba sebi ye nyimi. Yenso so ayebekwa akoto no ye be kire say yes. Party ni ye de nanso muni yen anini ye. And ohwe vote wa yewura John Dramani Mahama enya in Ashanti region na even 30% no mo propose ye no at the end of these elections e be 30%. I'm telling you, because akoye chimpe 50%, and very amazing because ohwe seat ya make ho asem yewura say chimen sabonsu so am constituency pa and this year winning. Ye catch them cry na me say me nyinni. I have to call somebody in Swame. And no cry no can, I have to call another one. Me friend nipa mienu miensa to confirm. Because me dwene home entiase. KT Hamana dance asokwa. Ono so we lose the seat in Ashanti region. O he tafo ye sit tafo. Na wo hwe the way NDCS ye wini parliamentary in Ashanti region this time round no. Anu nyan. And there are other year or more the Katashi FM. Ibimo, you say there is another constituency MPP for per se, almost swap ballot papers. I announce so IGP in Mrantie, Achi or more, or Modu or Kwaku police station. Enkoso. Sabria Meno Kasei said the Mekan yes, Kumasa Swami, you say Chimen Sabons were losing a seat. Tafu Aluzu, yes, Dome Kwabena, and so Aluzi, Jinapo. minister ono so aluzi ayawaso enso so aluzi ugina lie mu na fe na wo che mu ni sika eye ha wakumsin enso so aluzi na ha wakumsin de ye me destiny ni pe wo wi ase gina wo didi Kennedy Kweku Agyapong atem wo so yo ba na wo na wo hye no afi na wo tutu akukum obi wo ye adwuma pa nka obekum obi ye tumufo a musimu ntie Asen Central NPP aluzi eye Asen South Reverend Tim Fojo ono so aluzi ohwe KT Hammond enso so aluzi Mrikuduka enso so aluzi and first time in history Sunyani East NDC are winning the seat a PC da yes over the northern part of Ghana Yura John Dramani Mahama winning all the northern votes except the northeast Yura Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia no krum eno kra no vote wa Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia di BT John Dramani Mahama no ketua bi yes na MPP for mo sorry Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ba ya no amaya wini amaya nya more vote in the north yesen eno kra na wo hye ho no no fofo nyina to against mu MPP for yes because one village one dam mo faili when timi anye dam ama as at now yemianom no fofo omo ne mwa na nom suo and you John Dramani Mahama mesro in your next government we are northerner the issue of water problem we there say wuntumi a me say the investors that we are talking about you better deal with the water project but the first thing water is life what nsuo no you better solve in the north the northern region all the 5 northern regions we are going to solve that problem na politicians na moye northerners no monkai babia mu free bae muso muduebo munim ohaw ne amane a munnuanom wom maba be di positions tete nkran tete mansions mu tete V8 mu tete car papam monkai babia mu free bae as at now munnuanom ne mmoa enanum suo na mosora mapagya mabatiri kokoti ginapo se wona waluzu no MPP fu ka kire mo nyɛ strategic ena mo dia na yɛ strategic why strategic mo na mo hye ho no MPP fu me se yawe yetu mo fu na montie A+ ya win e won constituency independent candidate ya mo win this time no enye easy you see about 40 independent candidate na call in MPP and out of this 40 no be 20 dey betumi win say won antumi win a they give chances to the other candidate na omo ye NDC and as independent candidate mo so e win ko MPP for say mo hu bread full mo hu no ba bia President Akufo Addo asay MPP party na kwakodu na MPP fo nya atwemfo bi mo ene mo hu no ba wie se yetu mo fu na montie ye di kan tu mo fu na nka mutie ya nka we nyina beba me papa baako oyo hene wokumase yes okoto na aba na MPP fo na ye das na vote ne de ye de o se me to ma aba ma MPP party a me sabi ono born hu dua me nka dua kro no okokumase that is the popular goals wa ewo ho or the board hu dua wo MPP fo nanim ene we fa hana telo in Ashanti region yes that is what I'm telling you Ashantis nye ayi body abrewaju wuntimi me dada emfa wa no me fa ya hon hye dan ko chapter plane from a Gatwick MEC ayi Kumase enkase we be international airport da be na obi international airport no how many plane na tu aba and aka 2 days to elections wetimi a charter plane free Gatwick ye hwese ya to aba na wie ye hwese plane no because so a flew as you did that Ajema wuo nkukobuo airport we amasini wo ho munim se Ghana for ye ntu kwanda munim se Asante for ye nimie etimo be ye propaganda I told you Ghanaians say the na ekoso in the social media no eye NPP for na atua sika ma some bloggers and NPP for na ankasa and omo create the scene say NPP ayade but on the ground ye na ye political scientist na ye tie nipa ha no nipa amane no Ghana for yesu Ghana for ebre na Ghana for the common nibre ene to aba Ghana for nya adwuma nye Ghana for mebre just look at the street look at the way Ghanaians are suffering me day in and out ebia wonu nya course because me course a me nya na emwa nipa hwehwe free me ho no aya na eye me ya and me obesere me mwa na manya bia me na me wra ko eye me ya semantumi amwa wo. And these are some of the things I hear as a government have to create an enabling environment. But then people for money na mo be bokro no akese. Investors kitesika trillions of dollars be creating nyuma. Ama Ghana for mabunu manya biaye. Over 100,000 jobs. Just one project, 100,000 jobs. MPP for Ampene. President Akufo Addo Ampene. Okwaje 10%. Namuria, Mosansone nam embassy to embassy. Catch the embassies and say they should deny young Ghanaian youth visa na Ghana there because of free SHS. Aye kron tima Ghana ni bi entu kwan. Abroni bayi. Modia moye ya pe sanse mo waje mu green card e na mo diplomatic passport nti na ma fly na ma ba. Na ye de mu wi a ma cheche nchene ne makoni anwa na mo de abreye. Yaje edi. Nse ya to etiamo. Omo to etiamo Ghana for actually say yes, the next government of Ghana no na ni beda ho. We are thinking of development. Ghana for here juma. And as I said, per the results na eba no, I can confidently say you John Dramani Mahama will win. Even if your baby crowd will win about 60%. Yes, you John Dramani Mahama may win about 60%. As of now, per the data that I have, about 9,946,515 votes. And I remember, you John Dramani Mahama, Ikura 5,618,282, representing 56.47%. And a Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia 4,094,692, representing 41.15%. And at the rest, and also so others and 236,541, which is 2.38%. And John Dramani Mahama is winning overwhelmingly. Yes, Yahweh. And I can confidently frame me MPP ni back was say, hey Frank, is a vote of what you cry you. I say, Minianum vote of what you my. Yes. Na Minianum vote for much or draw. Why are there? Minianum vote for me say, ye bema mohum puntu. Ube hunum puntu. Vote for my. Yes. Na vote for Baby Book. Oko Sunyan East. First time in history. And this year winning Sunyan East. That is to tell you how bad MPP party is. Yeah, catch them say MPP party na say. Who di me atem? Wo so ye MPP ni who di me atem? Na me mahu no kore na meka. Ni nipa o say no. Why na say party? Why na o say party? Nya twomfo mo mpe no kore. Sori also ye patriot, we ye MPP ni na mayenka. E na mahu no mawie ye. Mahu no mawie ye. Mahu se Kumase for me na me control Kumase for. I was telling you how Kumase they are feeling. Anxiety is all over. Me wafa say or you pulling agent. MPP ni pulling agent. Okay, I say offer. You went in MPP for no marry. Yes. E kwam di nipa ebre nipa nya adwumanye. Ghana fu yesu Ghana fu ebre. Ye na ye wogidie wo MPP mu say MPP is the only party ebetumi age Ghana. And ye co opposition 2028 we are coming back. We are going to restructure the party. Make MPP for omo yi won sika aboa MPP party na nado dan Akufo Addo yi won bonu aya no me hu bi da. Ya o man bi wo America ha say friend konongo kaya. E na ma me moni din. Daddy mechi yawo. Minim se me no be kasa ansa na mekwa amako. Ene ayi Niokan. Yasi Niokan ne konongo kaya. The way of Musi some President Akufo Addo pa no. Ene konongo kaya. Mimi nimdi o. Information ametenti Ghana for amewa America. Se meboa monka se Frankada na oboa. Yasi man bi e friend konongo kaya. So omoboa meboa. Owa America ha. Yasi odenisika na ho odeni bibia some President Akufo Addo ene. Oko Jubilee House kura ya man kwampo na wewura ho. Ye yi papa na ma. Yes. Amanfo amoaboa President Akufo Addo MPP aban agu n'anim ase ya se wona yiwo mbonuaye. Hwede yemode aye maame sister Barbara. MPP former woman organizer. Ompekasa mami akoma pa ewo nimu oboa nipa. Ni din de boafo Barbara boafo. Ni din ne honam se. Senko yo bi mpo ye kikikiya. Ono na type of politics na say mama na ode when you politician no because the way you kura akoma pa no. O ye no bone kura mpo na o sere hwe wanim. O ye udi ni bone no na o sere hwe wanim. Mama Barbara bone amudie di mama Barbara e ho sunsanso na munhunu no obi biara obeti asemi bi onim sister Barbara bi o say MPP for manya de enye ni pa nyina na ye di ni bone o me say amanfo mo frɛ me a omode omoaboa MPP efa sika fam efa nimdie efa amwoden bebrebe ntimi kura mobodin mi akasa me mama Porsche Mary Porsche suma wasum MPP in Germany me ka na machire enti se me bua mon kanjam se Frank oboa me papa baako o se your friend Dr. Duka no wo Canada o se President Akufo Addo uko Canada ono na no drive from Canada to America ba bi odo be ko bia omu nyina panfo bebre mentimi mubodi panfo bebre ni tra se me kasa aya me de me nsasi me bu no because minim de America me metra be twantro da ansam panfo ya omo abu party na e bi mpanye sika na omo pewu just recognition keke must say omo nyina and omo so wa busuya enema kwose sasa miracles aboaje kromfo branti we no mo brada oro ne kapre be na MPP mu enema hunu ma wiye kwose sankwada toto fefe wa ayu nufusuo bombom mo hena no ena omo adi party nanim mo hunu ma wiye ene da ho se mo say party no na ye ka kire mo se Ghana fo ye se ye pe Kennedy Agyapong Japan makofa Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia omo brada he is the vice president of Ghana apurati apansam na ne yire Samira a onye Ghana ni nsusu di akire etoto ya yampia amuwade samo pam Kojo Kyeremanteng mahunu mawie mo se madidi na atem onimu anya ma biye ene monne sanka Kojo Kyeremanteng wo mu a nga we nyina beba edidija eni muna enenam and mo crooks ne mo criminal activities na mo ye na ansosidi ni nyina no ye NPP fu a na mo boa mo ma mo ye discriminalities a mo yi o mo totwene no o mo ano mo ma NDC for tip off I'm telling you mo MPP fu mo IT gurus na ma fa mo di wi abam no ba ko ye me madamfo everything or the information mame ade bia mo ye bi o de mame yes Brajampon sort of helicopter Mumisan auto helicopter anan ode be your operation about to ya babatui munim plans MPP for plan e auto helicopter Brajampon to helicopter sikanashi mo me say mo mo niema na mo ye ni nyina no he da ba bia ya na meka se mo bosso me wo ha na nipa na ankasa afre me Maka me wo na yesi yakofa IT guy bi because they say NDC for march the former IT guy me kura me refinidin a obebo MPP in 2016 2020 me Kennedy amebo so omo akofa different IT guy from America here to Ghana very young guy and omo dini free America ha no omo se san documentation omo de ne ba Ghana or ba be di bone because ni juma odini wa America ha no say America for who say udi sa abone no Ghana ye mani si America ha biu into as sunny din I'm giving you all this information your boss wa pe me wo ho na nadam for pa ni twotwo mutwo efre me wa hunu it's like aya nipa di nokore ofre me na oka ga no ni din ni history everything but though they have the intelligence but nobody knows but I have it I know him meaning every information about him. Hey, adie bia MPP be plan so mo ye bia no the moment ye bia menya hente pe na nipa from the NPP a oka de na mo ye ho na wa freme na wa mam information in and out everything I am telling you Ghana for mo to mo ye de nkura munim se bra even MPP for be kwa munim se bra champion to helicopter no de be the selection munim but I know ni metra ha mpyan kontompuda wo soro so ye NPP ni hwe bonfo sam ye wudi sem ye na ankasa ye MPP for AD yasema yenka ya chechiro mayo o my Ghana ye de o se yasia chi poto ehwa na ye betafre na ye ka MPP for yare and nobody should try and when we strategy no ya sheda ma de esa inti ade sa na ya swape but NDC for no mo ese o mo ni no so yo and this is what this time there my mom 100% my intelligence no very great and obi aso you see and IGP Kofi Boakye onso so why are there and mpanifo hodo bebre my are there papa my grele MPP for my mom who say yes next time say the to me mawa as I say uhunu se o manfo so na wo ba bedi na obeye nyema ebeboa wo manfo na moye de ya nka manima antene tumi kakra mo pe na mo che mo cha anwa na manfo obo tire na mo ka banku na mo wo fufuo Africa Ghana ndi da benda me san se hunu we ntina me say ade a yeto so aba position yeto so aba menko bi da because anema we omo ye me time hade na Kwaku Bediatuo na Kwaku Bediatuo yase ba bi one na yere kura koto vote okoto aba onya 1 one na yere koto yo so onya 1 what would the ayero. So these are some of the reasons that bring in America. Me, I'm a political scientist. I know in and out of everything. Me say because me okase me nko contest na me nko yenko to me so aba. Me say na no mo ye. Me time I'll never do that. Anyway, because mania me the only thing that is expected of me and they say me di no kure abo nipa. Na me nwini nipa ho adwemmo ne. Na me nwini de me nko amedi ho. Na ma dwene de nipa ye nyina ye bedi ho. Na me hunu se me nua bre na wo bre no ebetimi atome. Na yetu yama oman no akonanim. These are my principles and I am assuring every Ghanaian. Say and there is change of government from Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia to John Dramani Mahama. We are bringing the investors and we are coming back. Me say after this video, I am praying say the issue of water crisis and there's a new dam and in the northern region. I will supply potable water to all the 5 northern regions. We are going to do that. And we are going to have 24 hours. And I'm going to say 24/7 water supply for agriculture. And then this one very related to 24 hours agriculture. Yes, we are going to supply the water. And me tina have a say we control the world investors. Now, matwa bapa, yet the investors no bagana. And let me tell the NDC politicians, the ministers, the government appointees, investor BI then be demanding even $1 bribe. Yana me do better na social media with we want they me be yew. Would you pa monso someone try? Ghana fu. I am assuring every Ghanaian. Would you want to muna me minsuro wu na wo nipa bono fo wudi ni kromfo a wo nwino man ho krausi nyankopon bo ho ban na me amedwino man ho enye o man ni sika na me ba bepe man no prepare yo ne nkankro na me bepe amedamo ase me say me mentu ntasuro ntu fom fa me ketremanfa. We are coming back. We are bringing investors with billions and trillions of dollars. Now wo politician na wo nso so no besia no kwan no, you see what we do to you. Unim intelligence a course in these elections. Unim intelligence as mugu Ghana. You don't know anything. Let me tell MPP people. You know MPP fool. But ye catch them say next time. And you see how President Akufo Addo has collapsed the MPP party. President Akufo Addo has collapsed the MPP party. But ye Kwaku for many for. Ye catch them on the yes, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia is incompetent. He doesn't deserve to be the president of this country. And I'm wenti. And I'm going to say, wa reporter kojo, wa re.
Yo, it for winning and somewhere Captain Smart, Bawumia TV morning show host, and some of the Atuja watch the say, yeah, the president, Nanado Damka Akufo Addo, no, Kawane Pese, one person, one influencer, yeah, IGP, Sedabaya Kabatu, Kawani Betimi, Eddie Kunim, and Honsem, and Wadi Atuja. Nakao says, so we can subscribe to channel area, Bomodia say, Ube subscribe. Now, Fee, what like video, like the video, give us a thumbs up, now, Fee, share my Ato Forson. Now, when you be here, Sansa Hadia, latest and hot news, and Kwa Enamede, Bremo. Also, Betimi, otchere, Wadring, Afa, and some way now, I will comment boxing in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.